reviews.
This is definitely one of my favorites. All right, so Navitas is one of my favorite superfood brands. I always buy their cocoa nibs, and they have a line of so many different superfoods and superfood powders. And this is just their raw cocoa nibs, which I add to my smoothies, to like chia seed pudding. Sometimes I'll add it on top of like a healthy baked good. And their products are all really high quality. Cocoa nibs have that rich flavor to them. They taste like a really strong, like dark chocolate. So you don't want to add too much because it can overpower a dish. But I love to use this just as like a more crunchy element to my smoothie bowls mixed with the granola. It also has the antioxidants that dark chocolate does because it's the original ingredient. I discovered Navitas maybe 3 years ago. It's been a long time since I've been using their products, and it's just a really easy way of adding superfoods into your diet. I would recommend this product to anyone that is looking for a new superfood to try, that loves like the taste of chocolate, the taste of cocoa, and wants to add it to their smoothie bowl.